The S can now be colored red at Chrysler. The best minivan on the market has just received an infusion of Dodge attitude. While Toyota claims they have the Swagger Wagon, this new for 2020 Pacifica Red S Edition is clearly the winner with soccer dads and kids alike. The regular S appearance package introduced 3 years ago is an option chosen by 1 out of every 3 Pacifica owners. But Red S is like sneaking into Spencer's without your parents. For $3,995, it features Rodeo Red soft Napa leather two-tone seats accented by light diesel gray stitching and piping, and an S logo on the seatbacks. Silver metal brush trim dresses up the instrument panel and door trim. Riding on 20s, there's a red S liftgate badge and black Chrysler wing badges with velvet red inserts. Safety features also get a boost, and a 20-speaker Harman Kardon stereo system can drown out the screaming. Ordering for Red S is open now on the Pacifica Limited gas model and will expand to the hybrid shortly after. For TestDriveNow.com, I'm Steve Hammes.